Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Today we've got some twisted donuts coated in sugar and chocolate ganache. Yum! Start with 200 grams of bread flour, 50 grams of cake flour, 30 grams of sugar, 3 grams of salt, 6 grams of instant dry yeast and mix them all together. Now add in 1 egg, 145 milliliters of milk and mix. Once the dough has been formed, you can flour a work surface with cake flour and get kneading. Just fold and knead, then flatten it out a bit and add 25 grams of unsalted butter, spreading it out over the surface and folding it in. More folding, more kneading. Then finally, form a ball and place it into a floured bowl, covering with cling film and leaving to rest for 1 hour. It should double in size. Then you can remove the cling film, punch a hole in the middle, peel away from the sides of the bowl, and knead some more. Form another ball, flatten it out using a rolling pin, still leaving it quite thick, and then cover with cling film. Leaving it to rest for 30 minutes. Now you can slice some strips. Take a strip, roll it into a long thin sausage, and twist. Do the same with the other pieces, and then place them on a lined baking tray, covering with cling film and finally leaving to rest for 1 more hour. Now you can fry them in some hot oil. Turning them over part way, cooking till golden brown. Remove them from the oil, drain off the excess. You can coat in sugar. And dip in chocolate ganache. Yum! Absolutely delicious. Why don't you have a go? They're going to be amazing.